Yes. Yes, good morning children. Today we are going to now start it third class mathematics. Already yesterday we have started how to convert the months into how to convert the years into months, how to convert the years into days. Okay, that one we completed yesterday. Now we have to convert how to convert the days into hours, how to convert into hours into minutes. We will learn that two bits. Okay. First of all, I am going to start exercise 2.5. Everyone open your classwork notebook. Exercise 2.5. Already yesterday we completed 2.4. Now we are going to start the 2.5. A bit. Convert into hours. Write down the heading everyone. Convert into hours. Everyone open your classwork notebook and write continuously. Okay? The first question. 10 days. Okay? 10 days. This 10 days you have to convert into hours. So first you have to write down the formula of what is the days and the hours formula. Already given on yesterday only. Okay? First write down the formula, that is 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 day equal to how many hours, children? 24 hours. Now this 10 days convert into hours. So multiply 24 to 10. Why we are taking this one means 1 day equal to 24 hours only. Okay. We are not at all getting extra hours. So we want to multiply 10 days to 24. We are getting the answer. 0 into 4, 0 only. If you multiply any number to 0, we are getting 0 only. 0 into 2, 0. Ones place multiplication over, keep into symbol in the ones place, and tens place answer start in the tens place only. Okay? 1 into 4, 1 4 is 4, 1 2 is 2. Add these two numbers, 0, 4, 2. Therefore, 10 days equal to how many hours? 240 what? Hours. Compulsory have to write down the units. Okay? Now same like this second question. 2 days 14 hours. 2 days and 14 hours. Here they given days and hours. These two convert into again hours only. Okay. First here also write down the formula. That is 1 day equal to how many hours, children? 24 hours. 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Now convert 2 days into hours. Okay. 2 days equal to 24 into 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Single digit multiplication means directly have to do like this only. Okay. Now 48 what? 48 hours. Therefore, the given question is extra they given 14 hours mark. You have to write down 2 days and 14 hours. Listen here, 2 days place I am writing hours. Okay? Why I am taking the hours means 2 days equal to 48 hours we are getting. I am writing 2 days place 48 hours. 48 hours. For converting the days into hours I am taking hours. Okay? Now place 14 hours. You have to add these two numbers. Okay? 48 plus 14. 48 plus 14. How much 8 plus 4? 12. 4 plus 1? 5. 5 plus 1? 6. Here we got 62 hours. Okay. Okay, continue. Not coming. Fourth one, 5 days. Okay, it is the fourth question now. Yes. Yes, it is the fourth question now. Yes. Second question, third question, same like this only is there. Okay. 5 days, 8 days, like that. Okay. Yes. It is the fourth question. Okay. Now, see the second question now. What is the second question? 5 days. 5 days. You have to convert 5 days into hours. Here you have to write down 1 hour equal to 24 hours. Okay. Now multiply 24 into 5. 5 fours are 20. 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. Therefore, 5 days equal to 120 hours. Compulsory write down the hours. Third one. What is the third one? 80 days. Here also write down the formula compulsory, that is 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Now multiply 24 into 8. 8 fours are 32. 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 19. Therefore, 192 hours. 8 days equal to 192 hours. Okay. Now, third one number after fourth one. Same like this, third one is there. 3 days, 20 hours. Fifth one. 3 days, 20 hours. Okay. 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 day equal to. Okay. If you know this formula, then you are writing automatically directly answers. Now, 3 days convert first of all. 3 days equal to 24 into 3. Why we are multiplying with 24 means 1 day equal to 24 hours. 4 3s are 12. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. Total 3 days equal to 72 what? Hours. Now, convert this one. Therefore, 3 days, 20 hours. 3 days place, I am taking this 72 hours. 72 hours plus 20 hours. Extra hours we have to add. Don't multiply this one. Okay. Now 72 plus 20 how much? 72 plus 20. 2 plus 0 2. 7 plus 2 9. What is the answer here? 92 hours. Therefore, 92 hours. Okay, children? Did you understood this one? First, directly the given days means write on the formula, multiply the given number with 24. You are getting the answer. But the given days and hours both they are giving means first multiply days into hours. Convert days into hours. Over after extra hours is there now. These hours you have to add. Compulsory have to add the hours. If you are not adding means you are getting the wrong answer. Okay, children. Same like this you have 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Remaining 4 problems are there. That 4 problems have to complete in this classwork only. Okay. Fastly note down or take the screenshot. We will go for the next bit, B bit. Yes, I think everyone over screenshot or pause the video and have to note down. Ma, I am going to rub the board. We will start the B bit. Okay? You have to continue in your notebook. Okay? You only write 4th, 5th, everything down. Did you understood the problem now? Doing your homework. B bit. Convert into minutes. Now listen, I explained only 5 problems. 6, 7, 8, 9 remaining 4 problems are there. First you have to complete the 4 continuously in your class work. Then only go for the B bit. Okay? Stop the video, note down that all. Over after, go for this bit. Okay? Don't leave the place and don't waste your time. Now only have to complete within 5 minutes you are finishing if you understood this means. Yes? Yes. B bit the first one 7 hours. Now listen here. They given in the question hours and they are asking you to convert into minutes. You have to take the formula between hours and minutes. 1 hour equal to how many minutes, children? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, you have to take this formula and you have to convert very easily. 7 hours. Shortcut I am writing hours, HRS. Hours. Okay. 7 multiplied with 60. 60 into 7. 7 into 0, 0. 7 6 are 42. Therefore, 7 hours equal to how many minutes, children? 420 minutes. Yes. Same like this second one, that is 4 hours. Here also you have to take the formula 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now write down. 4 hours equal to 60 into 4. 4 into 0, 0. 4 6 are 24. If you are perfect in tables, you are getting easily these all answers. 4 hours equal to 240. 240 what? Minutes. M-I-N-U-T-E-S. Okay. Next one. Over after third one. Third one is 11 hours. 11 hours. Here also you have to convert hours into minutes, that is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now convert 11 hours. 11 hours equal to 60 into 11. Okay. It is a 2-digit multiplication. If you know means directly write down. 11 6 are 11 into 0 0. 11 6 are 66. 660 what? Minutes. If you understood means very easy will be there these problems. Okay. Just you have to observe in the heading what did they given minutes and in the question what did they given hours. You have to take that two where you are getting that formula only have to take. That is 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now you have to multiply the given number with 60 only. Why we are taking 60 only will go means I'll rub the fourth and fifth. I'll explain the next problems. Shall I rub this? Make it fast. Fourth one did you understood? Na? Same like that only is there. Fifth one also. Yes. B with the fourth question. 5 hours 43 minutes. 5 hours 43 minutes. Yes. Here also they given hours and minutes. Don't confuse anyone. First convert hours into minutes. Then add minutes. Two we are getting the same type of units. Okay. Now first separate what is that 5 hours is there. You have to write down 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay. Now 5 hours. Don't make the noise. 60 into 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 6 are 30. Single digit number is there means directly have to do the multiplication like this. So 5 hours equal to 300 minutes. Now given question write down 5 hours 43 minutes. Now 5 hours plus I am writing this answer. That is 300 minutes. Place. Here also we are having minutes and here also minutes. 2 units are saved. So I am going to add directly. 43 minutes. When we are looking 2 units are saved, have to add the directly. See here. Left side have to add 300 plus 43. Some members you are writing like this 300 plus 43. Don't write it is the wrong. You have to write down from ones place to back side only. 300 plus ones place first 3, tens place 4. Now 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 4, 4. 3. What is the answer? 343 minutes. Compulsory write down the units. Okay? Yes, it is our answer. Fifth one. 10 hours 5 minutes. 10 hours and 5 minutes. Here also we have to write down 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. First convert 10 hours into minutes. 10 hours equal to 60 into 10. If you know means directly also have to multiply, otherwise do the 2-digit multiplication. Now I am adding 10 to total ones. 10 into 0, 0. 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. Total we are getting 10 hours equal to 600 minutes. Okay. Now write down the given question. minutes. 10 hours 5 minutes only now. Yes. Hours place I am taking minutes value. 600 minutes. Now this one are in minutes unit. This one also in minutes only. I am going to add this to 600 plus 5. How much we are getting? 600. 5 very hard to write down. 5 you have to write down in the ones place only. Why? Because always you have to add smaller to bigger. 5 plus 0 5 and 6 as it is 6. We are getting 605 what? Minutes. Compulsory write down the units. Okay? Same like this only is there. 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Like a bit only is there, ma. Have to complete that one also. Take the screenshot, otherwise take the photos. Have to complete your class work. After 1 minute, I am going to rub the board. Make it fast. Okay, I think everyone completed. I am going to rub the board. Shall I rub the board, children? Yes. I am rubbing the B-bit first 3 problems. And I am explaining C-bit now. C-bit also like this only very easy is there. C-bit heading is convert into seconds. Convert into seconds. They given first question 5 minutes. Okay. Here you have to use which one having the formula in minutes and seconds. We know that 1 minute equal to how many seconds? Yes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Already I given these all formulas in the before class only. Okay. Daily read the formulas when you are getting easily answers. Now 5 minutes converting to seconds means 5 multiplied to 60. Okay. Then you are getting the answer. 5 minutes equal to 60 into 5. 5 into 0, 0, 5 6 are 30. what? Seconds. Okay, children. Now same like this. Third one. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Here also you have to write down 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Now directly do the multiplication. 12 minutes. 60 multiply with 12. It is a 2-digit multiplication. If you know means directly multiply. Otherwise do the 2 times. Now I multiply directly 12 into 0 0. 12 6 how much? 12 6 72. 720 what? Seconds. Okay children. Shall we write the fourth and fifth answers? Fourth one, 2 minutes 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Here they given minutes seconds. Some members you are getting confusion. Don't confuse like that. Like before A bit and B bit only have to come with the C bit also. Okay. First convert minutes into seconds. That is 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay. Now convert to 2 minutes first. Minutes into seconds. Multiply 60 with 2. 2 into 0 0. 2 6 12. 120 what? Seconds. Now write down the given question. Therefore 2 minutes 15 seconds. This 2 minutes place I am writing seconds value. What is the seconds value? 120 seconds. Here also it is in seconds. This one also in seconds. I am going to add these two same units numbers. Okay. 120 plus 15. 5 plus 0 5. 2 plus 1 3. When you are doing addition, that time carefully arrange the numbers. Okay. Total 135 what? Seconds. 135 seconds. And same like this only 5th, 6th, 7th also is there. I'll explain 5th one. Remaining you have to do as a homework. 5th one that is 4 minutes 5 seconds. 4 minutes 5 seconds. Okay. First write down the minutes and seconds formula. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay. Now convert 4 minutes into seconds. 60 into 4. 4 into 0 0. 4 6 24. 240 what? Seconds. Now write down the given question. 4 minutes 5 seconds. This 4 minutes place I am taking the seconds value. That is 240 140 seconds. Here also we have seconds unit. Here also 5 seconds. Same units. Second, second. I am going to add. See, 240 plus 5. You are getting answer as a 245. 245 what? Seconds. Compulsory write down the seconds spelling. Okay? It is your class today. Here we are completed 3 bits, exercise 2.5. These all have to complete in your class work. Complete exercise 2.5 in class work. Okay? A, B, C, bits. Textbook page number. What is the textbook page number? 75. Okay? A, B, C, 3 bits hard to complete all the problems now. Only I given 4 problems as a homework. 6, 7, 8, 9, A bit, B bit, C bit. Okay? This one you are finishing means our chapter over it. Tomorrow we will start the new topic. Okay? Okay, I am going to end the class. Everyone take a screenshot and try to complete the class work in time.